Hi guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video guys, ay para sa mga wala na kailan ako, hi, my name is Koy and I am here in Canada. So, for today's video, this is a continuation of my live nga gibuhat ka ganina. I receive a lot of comments, message or direct message di ay asking me kung giunsa na ako nga maabot ko diri sa Canada in a span of pila ka buwan gani mang 3 months mang no? March, April, May, June. After 4 months, May ba ka naabot diri? April. March ka. So April ta magsugod og ihap. April, May, June, July. So 3 months. April, May, June, July. Oo. Yes, 4 months. So, after 4 months nga naabot akong mama dito sa Canada. So, without further ado, I'll be explaining how I did get here. So guys, if you don't know, I'm currently working in Cebu City as a customer service supervisor before we decided to go here in Canada. Actually guys, dugay na dyan ko nag-apply. A short background of my story. I got 4 refusals after an approval. So way back 2021, I started applying as an international student here in Canada. Same province in Ontario. I got rejected once during 2021. I reapplied 2022. I was rejected twice. So that's the 3rd time. Only once during 2022, and then reapplied 2023 January, was refused 2023 of March, and then I reapplied March gihapon or April ba to, and then was refused May. So I got 4 refusals. Then ingon na jud ko nga di na jud ko ma-apply kakapoy na kayo, and then like murag nahutdan na kagkuan, pero positive ra gihapon ko. So nana man gihapon akong mamag akong auntie nga koy apply ra jud gihapon. So for the 4th time, by the way guys, sa kong first og second, we were assisted by someone who's studying immigration consultancy here in Canada. But for the 3rd and 4th application ako, we already paid or hired a registered Canadian immigration consultant which is registered in IRCC website. Pero I will not mention her name because this is not